Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to teach you all how to make your turmeric face mask, so do keep on watching. So in today's video we're going to learn how to make your turmeric face mask with just 2 ingredients. As you can see, I'm just applying my turmeric face mask. Continuous usage, a regular usage of this face mask helps to even the skin tone, and it is mixed with 2 very good skin lightening agents, so do keep watching. So first off, we're going to need some limes, then we're going to need a clean bowl, a knife and a spoon, then some turmeric and some body oil. This is the avocado oil. It's very optional. Now you just want to squeeze out the lime juice into the clean bowl and then remove the seeds. Now this turmeric face mask is very good because lemon juice has bleaching properties and turmeric helps to impact on skin glow, as it helps your skin glow. So if you're looking for something cheap and affordable to lighten your skin, to brighten your skin, and also it helps against hyperpigmentation too. So if you're looking out to remove your dark spots and skin burns, this face mask will help, because turmeric has like anti-inflammatory effects and antibacterial effects. So when you're done squeezing out the lime juice, what you want to do is to take your turmeric and add, then take 2 spoonfuls of your oil, any oil of your choice. I used my avocado oil and have a video of that. Then after applying that, you wait for like 5 minutes, then wash off and use your glow soap. So I also have a tutorial on how to make this glow soap. So leave on for about 5 minutes and then wash off with water, and then you can say hello to a new and brighter skin. Do this every day and see the results in 7 days. Video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.